Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tires, front all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.